Just as an overview, what we are going to cover in this is we'll be covering these topics. So credit enables solutions for the borrowers and lenders. What is our tech platform and the assessment tools which we use, and how do we partner with as a referral for the business partnership program, and what will be the process flow of the work, what will be the mutual benefits to all proposed commercial and the payout rates for referral partners. We have developed our proprietary, our platform is backed by a proprietary credit algorithm, including AI that is lender validated, which allows us for instantaneous data capture and aggregation. So that can be used as a credit assessment tool for lender. Since we use technology and analyze the borrower thoroughly at our end, we enable profitable growth of the lenders as they are offered only quality leads. In terms of business, we do business loans in the ticket sizes ranging from 5 lakhs to 40 crores, both secured and unsecured. And since the range is different for each type of loan, so we do have different assessment tools for each type of requirement. We do the bank statement analysis, financial ratios test, and use a lender matching tool to tell us the most advantageous lender based on the available input from the borrower. And we do customized or tailored assessment depending on the availability and strength of the documents. So we cater to business vintage as low as 6 months to 1 year for small ticket size loans. And we also have a tie-up with Experian. Hence, after passing our internal credit assessment, we soft pull the bureau score of the borrower with their consent, of course. And since this is not a pull which is done by directly a lender, hence it doesn't affect to the borrower's bureau score. So in terms of borrower solutions, we assist borrowers from several sectors, different businesses, various entities like partnership, proprietorship, etc. We only facilitate business loans. So that includes a working capital loans, CCOD, LAP, term loans, etc., both secured and unsecured. We do not cater to personal loans, vehicle loans, housing loans, education loans, etc. We have around over 20 lender partners, so can find you the perfect match. We believe in educating the borrowers, and hence while doing the credit call with them, we try to advise the borrower on the best suitable product for them. For instance, if the requirement is of unsecured loan, just because the customer is not aware of that he can even take the secured loan based on his property and the collateral available. So based on the appropriate borrower inputs, we would advise this to the borrower and try to reduce the interest rate as far as possible. We also educate borrowers on how to improve their banking based on experience with different lenders. Till now, I have brief you about the benefits and all. So now I'll come on to the benefits to each party which are involved in the transaction. We propose that your clients who have financial needs are directed to us. Since we have the technology and expertise, hence no manual credit assessment are required to be done at your end. You only need to fill in one sheet giving some key details, which will be required by us during the credit assessment. After that, we will take over and digitize the assessment process. Also, since you have all the necessary documents with you, so you can share the documents with us after the client has given consent. So you don't need to do anything else. And once the borrower passes our internal credit assessment, we will take their file to the most appropriate lender from the several lender types which we have. For this also, we will use our lender matching tool, which is again a technology built, which will tell us the most appropriate and the advantageous lender for the borrower's file. We can offer loan sanction and disbursement in the minimum turnaround time due to our digitized process and tech solutions. In case the borrower doesn't pass our credit assessment, we will still get back to you with a proactive feedback on how this file can be improved and resent for the credit assessment or the credit application after a few months or years. I'll briefly summarize the process flow and benefits to each person involved in the process. So the borrower, that is your client, will approach you for arranging credit for their business as it is convenient for them and they trust you. To maintain the client satisfaction and to avoid hassle and extra efforts of manual credit assessment, and at the same time not to miss the business opportunity. So you will approach us, we will analyze the document, do the credit assessment using our expertise and the tech solutions, and take the eligible file to the best lender match. This way the lender will also see only quality leads flowing to them. Once the loan is disbursed, we will get the payout from the lender and release your share of the payout to you. The borrower is satisfied that he gets a loan in the least possible turnaround time and at the best possible rate and with zero service fees. In case there is a rejection from our end, we'll share the reason for rejection and discuss the appropriate way to build the file for future access. The advantages offered to you for partnering up with us are the first and foremost an attractive and quick payout rate on dispersal of loan. Our entire service comes to you and the borrower at a zero cost. So it becomes a hassle-free process for you as you only refer to us and we take it forward and come back with a productive feedback, both in the minimum turnaround time. So we work completely digital, so you can focus on your business and let us do the legwork. Along with this, like I mentioned previously, that we believe in educating our borrowers so that they can still get the credit after some months or years, even if they are rejected now. Lastly, we bring the deep relationship with banks, technology-enabled matching, technology-enabled credit assessment, resulting in a very synergistic relationship with everyone who is involved in this transaction.